How to add a hand signature in PDF file. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a hand signature in PDF file. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open any of the search engine you have. Go to the search bar and type in sign PDF Adobe. And then this is the one that you need. Ignore the ones at the top that are the sponsored ones. So you're gonna click on this one that is www.adopt.com. So you're gonna click on this one, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So if you're signing in for the first time, you can simply, connect your Google account or your Facebook account, and you're good to go. The next thing that you're going to do is simply click on select a file, and here you're going to select the document that you wish to upload. So let's choose this signature, and then it's going to take a while in order to load your document. So once the processing is completed, you'll be taken over to the edit PDF page where you can add signatures and various other items. So you can see that this was the PDF that contained signature. So I want to type a signature below this signature. So over here at the left side, you can see I already have a signature. However, if you wish to add a new one, you can simply click on add initials like this, and then you can type down your initials. For example, you can simply type that down like this, or you can simply click on draw and basically draw initials by your own choice, using your mouse. So I'm gonna draw it like this. I'm not really good at drawing here right now, but okay, whatever. Okay, you can also upload any image. Like you can take the picture of your signature and upload the image over here, and then it will look something like this. And then you can simply click on this over here, and then basically just paste your signature wherever you want. You can also click on this edit icon over here and edit changes into your signature. For example, if you wish to add some various changes, click on save, and now you can see that this is your new signature, and you can simply, paste it wherever you want. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.